I love these clear rulers. I'm going to go 3 inches this way because I can see straight through it and get right on that line and make sure it's going to be parallel. And if I match each side of the ruler, I have 2 connection points. See that? So then I use those 2 connection points to make a line that is parallel to the edge of my piece of paper. So now no matter where I measure between here and here, it's going to be 3 inches. If I only have 1, I could tilt it slightly and get off. Does that make sense? All right. So that was my 3 inch. Now I'm going to do my 5. All right. And then what I like to do is scribble out the area so I don't accidentally make it in the wrong box. Okay, so I have a 3 by 5 inch box. All right, now in this box I have to create my drawing. I put it up on the board for you, but block printing and then an image search is a great place to get the juices flowing, to get your brainstorms going. Another place to get your brainstorms going is going to go to clip art. So if you type anything in clip art, like turtles, clip art, fish, clip art, then you can use it and it's not plagiarism, right? Anything that's not clip art, if you were to use, would be plagiarism. Make sense? All right, so let's say I want to do my turtle here. So here's my turtle shell, my little turtleneck. He's so cute. I think I want him. I think I made this angle wrong. And the awesome thing about doing it on paper is you can make sure you have it how you want it. So if I'm happy with my little turtle man right here, and then I can make the details on his shell. And of course you would put more time and energy into your beautiful print, right? Once you think this is awesome and it's going to be what you want it to be, then I want to see your 2-color plan. So use colored pencils or marker to show me your 2-color plan. Remember, white can be used. Like I could make these circles white, right, as part of my 2-color plan. So don't forget, even though you only have 2 colors, you also have white. Once I approve your plan and get my thumbs up first, are you guys tracking on that? Mm-hmm. You're going to get my thumbs up first because I want to set you up for success. Then you can transfer this onto your block. So I have an example of a student. This is their plan, right? And then he transferred his plan onto his block. Makes sense? I'm going to show you how he did that right now. So I'm going to go back to my turtle, and I'm going to line my block up on my piece of paper. This is why you want to do it on the outside edge in your journal, not the inside, right? The outside edge on your journal. And then this is called transfer paper. Can you see this inky side looks shiny? Mm-hmm. And the non-inky side looks faded? All right, you want the shiny side or the inky side down. And then you're going to put your piece of paper, and I like to just feel and make sure that it's in the right spot, just to double check. And then I would press into this. Now, I don't want to press on his, and I don't want to waste a block. So I'm going to show you how it works just on a page of my journal. So you don't need to actually use any pencil lead if you have one of these kind of pencils. It's the pressure that transfers your drawing. Right? So you don't have to draw it twice. So you get it exactly how you want it in your journal, and then once it's there, you're just going to transfer it onto your block. Make sure when you get a block, you put your name and hour on it so nobody steals your block. That's as far as you'll probably get today. If you don't get started transferring, like with 10 minutes to spare, don't start, because it usually takes about 10 minutes to do a good transfer. Okay? You guys know what you're doing? Thank you. All right.